Happy people, I'm back with another video, and today I'm super excited because I'm going to be reviewing some new products from Beetles. They were kind enough to send me over some products for review, and the item that I'm most excited about is their Tipex Instant Apex nail kit, because they have them out now in different sizes, and I picked the size short square. So let's hop into what I got. Okay, so this is their Tipex Instant Apex kit, and this is in the half matte short square. I did decide to get it in a short square. If you all missed the original unboxing I did of this on my channel, I did it in the long coffin. So if you all want to see what that shape and quality looks like, I'll link that video down in the description box below. But I did a really cute dainty set with that. So let's hop into what's all included in this kit. Okay. Ooh, very nice. Okay. I think this is a little bit new. I don't remember this in the last package, but it shows what makes this nail tip different than the others. So it says it's a thinner trim. It's a thinner base at the end. It's thick and strong at the tip. It is pre-etched, so you don't have to do any extra filing. It says a perfect Instant Apex, and it has a great C curve. So I can attest to that with this long coffin one. It did have a great C curve, and it was really nice and thick. And then of course it says be bold, be you, be Beetles. Okay, so this here is the instruction manual. I always advise when you guys are testing out new products, especially electronics, go through, read the instructions, so that you make sure you're having proper application. I'm familiar with the product, so I'm not going to go through that, but this is what all is included. I'm going to start left to right. So the first thing we have here is this lamp. So I do really like their Tipex lamp because it is motion censored. I think they were one of the first to come out with a motion censored like single finger lamp. So cool that is included. It also comes with the cable here. Actually, really quick, let me show you guys that it is motion censored. So you plug it in and you all see the light comes on, which is really awesome. So it came with this and the cable. It also came with their nail glue. I think this nail glue is really good. I have it in the bottle, so it's also really good in the tube. I think the one in the tube is a little bit thicker. When you apply it on the nail, it doesn't move around, so that's nice. It also came with a nail file, 100/180 grit nail file here. This one seems to be a better quality than some of the other ones I've had in their kits, so that's nice. And then it also comes with all of these nail tips. Okay, so this is what the square looks like. Okay, it's definitely got that apex. The apex is pexing. I'm gonna move this off to the side. I think that's all that's included in here. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna move this off to the side really quick. Okay, so this here is what the apex is looking like on these nails. I'm happy that it's not as high as I thought it was going to be. It looks like it's still going to look natural enough, so that's nice. I'm going to take one of them off. I'm assuming my thumb is going to be a 0, likely it is. And so this is what the apex is looking like on the side of the nail, as you all can see. It's a nice little apex. It's not too thick. Like I said, I thought it was going to be a little bit thicker, and I'm glad that it's not. So I think it's going to look nice and natural. It is thinner at the cuticle area, and it is nice and clear. You see right through it. So yeah, I'm be excited to do my nails with this, y'all. All right, so that is the Tipex kit. They also sent over this Halloween nail art brush kit. So it comes with nail art brushes and some nail art tools. So I'm gonna just pop this open and see what we got here. Ooh, oh, very cool. Look at that. What are these? These are cute. Look at these little pumpkins, you guys. I'm not sure what this is for. So is this maybe to put like different nail paints in and use it? I don't think this is a charm for the nail. It looks a bit big for that. Y'all comment down below if y'all know what these little orange things are for this nail art kit. I'm not sure what this is, but it is super cute. So yeah, it came with these cute little pumpkins. It was so adorable. I'm assuming, like I said, you just put nail paints in here and then you like dip your nail art brush in it. Let's see, it came with some really cute charms and some rhinestones. So I'm gonna just open all of these up so you guys can see. So on this side, it came with like your hand. Let me see. Oh, that's cute. Oh, look at the little spider web. That's adorable. Oh, I like it. Oh, these are cute, y'all. Okay, so it came with 2 of those. Okay, so this is everything that's included in there. It comes with these cute little skeleton hands. So cute. It came with this really big fat spider charm with a red ruby. So cute. I love the little tiny spider web. And then a spider with black rhinestones in it. I am curious how big this is on the nail. Yeah, it's pretty big. But cute though. Look at that. I really like the spider web too. It's adorable. And the little hand. Yeah, it's making me want to do a Halloween set. But we're only in August. Oh my goodness. We are only in August. So, a bit early, but I guess you can never be too early with some of this stuff. Yeah, this is really cute. Okay, and then it also came with a lot of cool brushes here. Oh, I love how these brushes look. Look at these, y'all. These brushes have a cute little like smoky red and blackness to it. So yeah, this is a dotting tool. It also came with, let's see, a curved brush. It came with the curved nail art brush. Very nice. It came with an ombre brush. Very nice. And again, I love this. I love this like ombre, and then it has like the Beetles logo on it. Super cute. It came with a long liner brush. You can never have too many of these. It came with a round gel brush. Very nice. And then last but not least, it came with a short 3D nail art brush. Very cool. So I love how these brushes look. They're like super cute. Yeah, I love that. So we got these. Also sent over this solid builder nail gel kit. In here. Came with some chrome powders. Okay, so this came with some chrome powders. It came with a gold and a silver. Okay, so it came with a gold chrome powder. Super cute. And a silver chrome powder. Love that. If you guys missed my chroming videos, I do have detailed tutorials showing how to get the perfect chrome nails. So I'll leave that link down in the description box below as well. It came with 2 sponges as well to do the chrome powder nails. We also got a silicone tool. This also helps with chroming, to help rub it in. So it's nice to have this. And then it came with solid, non-sticky UV LED cured solid builder gel nail. Cute. Oh wow. Okay. Okay, so this is how the gel looks, okay? And it's the solid nail glue, which we've all seen and love. And so, oh, this one's really thick, isn't it? It's super thick. Plus the air bubble. But this is really nice for when you're wanting to do Gel-X nails and and not have any air bubbles. So you just scoop up some of this and then put it on the nail, smooth it out and press it on. I actually use some solid gel nail. I used some solid builder gel from BT Art Box to do my thumbnail when I did this set, and it was really easy to apply. So I'll show you guys how to use this as well. So this came also. They also sent over a 15 ml gel nail polish, and let's see, it is in the color F697, and it also came with a magnet, so I'm assuming it's a cat eye. So again, F697. Ooh, pretty. Okay, really beautiful. Looks like a ruby red cat eye. Go ahead and swatch this out real quick. Super cute. It's a little bit more jelly than expected, but looks like it has a cool cat eye effect to it. Very pretty. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get the cat eye effect going. Oh yeah, it works. See it moving. Alright, and I'm gonna go ahead and cure that. And then last but not least, they sent over this 6-piece gel polish kit. Okay. And this one is called Jelly Magic. Okay, so the first color here is D817. Oh, and this is a really beautiful jelly pink color. Very nice. Yeah, you're gonna be able to see the full effect once I swatch them out, but it's a cute jelly pink. D18, ooh, which is this really gorgeous jelly red color. This would be nice for Halloween nails if you need like some blood accents or blood designs. Very cute. D819, really beautiful jelly green color. It's like a little bit of a deeper jelly green, but very nice. D821, gorgeous jelly purple color. Love this. Okay. D822. Really gorgeous jelly black color. I really love jelly blacks for creating like smoky looks and designs on nails. So this is really beautiful. D823, which is a really beautiful deep blue, a jelly deep blue. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these swatched out so that we can get an idea of how the colors really look. D817. Very cute. D818. I love that red. D819. D821. Very cute. D822. Smoky and cute. I like this. Yeah, this is really cute for doing some like smoky nails. And the cool thing about jellies too is that it's buildable. So I'm gonna do 2 coats of these for sure, so you guys can see opacity, even with them being jelly. D823. Beautiful. Alrighty, so this is what this collection is looking like. It is very appropriate for the fall / Halloween months. So the first color we have here is D817, and again, it's this really beautiful pink jelly color. And as you all can see, you can definitely still see through the nail. It's translucent, but it's really cute jelly pink, and it is buildable. This is only 2 layers. I know with a 3rd layer it'll look even more opaque, but it's a nice like syrupy color. D818, and it's this beautiful kind of vampire red color. And again, as you can see, it is translucent, so you can see through the nail. Absolutely love this. This is perfect, like I said, if you want to create like some blood designs for Halloween. D819 is just really beautiful green jelly color. Love that as well. We have D812, which is this really beautiful deep purple jelly color. And again, it's pretty opaque, but you can still see through the nail, so that's really cute. I love that color also. Next, we have one of my favorites of the collection, which is D822, which is this beautiful smoky black color. You know, 1 layer looks a little grayish, 2 layers is like a jelly black, with 3 layers that look a little bit more opaque, but this is really this would be really great for some smoky nails. And then last but not least is D823, which is this really beautiful jelly deep blue color. So I also really like this as well. So yeah, these are all the colors that was included. And then let me show you all that cat eye color. This is the F697, which is that really beautiful red cat eye polish. So all of these colors are really just in time for, like I said, Halloween season, which was very fitting with everything that Beetles sent me. So I am going to go ahead and pop off these nails. These are press-ons from BT Art Box. If you all want to see a full tutorial about how I applied them, I will also leave that link down in the description box below. But they've been on for 2 weeks now, and I'm ready to change out my set. So I'm going to show you all how to apply these Beetles Tipex short square nails. So I'll be right back. Okay, happy people. I decided to go ahead and show the application of the Tipex nails in a separate video. But as you can see on my left hand, that's actually where that's the design that I'm going to show you all how to do in the next video. So stay tuned to part 2, I guess, of this haul, where I show the actual application of those short square Tipex nails. I hope you all enjoyed the unboxing of all the new Beetles products that I got, and stay tuned to the next video to see how I got this amazing cute Halloween set using that Tipex nail kit. I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.